guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I decided to do the smoky eye look for those of you that voted on the smoky eye look. So this is the final look. It's very easy to do, I promise you guys. It is the simplest makeup look that you can do. It's very nice and cute. You can, use it for a date night. Hello. Or just, for any occasion. I will also like to mention how from now on I will be doing, just for this time being, I'm going to be doing videos, YouTube videos every other Thursday, and the Thursdays that I don't post on this channel, I'm going to be doing an Instagram live post. So if you do not follow me on my social media accounts, link is always in the description. Follow me on every social media account so you don't miss out on my live videos. I will be doing different kind of looks. Get ready with me as we can chit chat. For those of you guys that are not able to ask personal questions or just questions that you have while I'm doing my makeup look, obviously on this channel, you can ask me on my Instagram live. And basically I'm just trying to do different ways to kind of expose myself out there and be able to get more creative with you guys and connect with you guys a lot more. So if you do not follow my social media accounts, follow them ASAP. And just wanted to let you guys know, so most of you guys, if you guys are confused with like, oh, why is she doing videos now every other Thursday? Well, that is why. I'm just trying to, get myself out there. So no more talking, let's just get right into this look so you guys can see how I got this look. So today we're going to be doing a smoky eye look, and we're going to be using just one palette only. It's going to be the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. This is a very affordable palette. It's a great palette. There's so many colors that you can use from this palette and create different looks. I personally love this palette. I use it a lot. Obviously you can tell that. But basically, we're going to be using this for the smoky eye look today, and I'm just going to be using three colors. Three colors only for my smoky eye look. It's going to be the black shade all the way towards the end right here. And just several, I don't know which browns I'm going to use yet, but just basically any brown neutral colors for the transition color. But we'll get into that once we start. And then we're going to be using the Maybelline Color Tattoo Eye Chrome. This is just basically my lid color for today for my smoky eye look. It's just a black eyeshadow glittery basically shadow. It's basically what it is. I just like to put it on my lid with my smoky eye looks because it helps me look more, I don't know, I just feel like it makes my eyes pop out a little bit more. It makes it look a lot better with the whole smoky eye look when it's all done. So as you can see, I already did my face. The only thing I haven't done is the highlighter, and also the lip color, as I can. So basically we haven't done the highlighter or the lip, but of course we're gonna do that once we finish. But today's video is just gonna be mostly focused on the smoky eye look because I want you guys to get your best version of your smoky eye look when you do try it on your own. So I thought, okay, let's just focus on just the eyes, and from there we can go. So let's get started. I'm gonna try to use as minimal brushes as possible because I don't want to get you guys confused with all the different transitions and like the different brushes I use. So we're just gonna focus on a few brushes. Hopefully I don't end up using more than what I have here on the table, but no promises. So we're gonna start. I like to start, there's a lot of videos out there and most people start with their transition color, which is basically the neutrals, the browns, but I want to focus on the main color, which is for me the black color. So I personally like to start with the pop color, which is the black obviously, and I like to build that color first and then from there blend everything out with my transition colors. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna be using the M433 from the Morphe brushes right here, this beautiful baby, and we're gonna jump right into that black color that I showed you guys on this palette right here, this black one towards the end. I'm gonna pack that in. I'm not gonna worry about how much product is on there because of course basically I'm gonna be building that black, so we're just gonna go right in, and I like to just start from the center and then build in from the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye. Pause, I just realized something. I like to put some loose powder under my eyes, even after I do the rest of my face, just so I don't have any fallout. If there's fallout that comes out from the eyeshadow products, it doesn't mess up your face since your face is already done. But since I already screwed up, there's already some powder. But it's okay. with some translucent powder, it's gonna all go away. So I'm just gonna pack that on. So back to what we were trying to do. I'm gonna pack in that black, really taking out any excess because I really don't want to get any black under my eyes. We're just gonna pack this color onto our lids. Like I said, I'm starting in the middle of my eye and then going from the outer corner to the inner corner. I like to just press the product onto my lid from like the closest part of my lash, and then wherever the brush lands, that's basically how I kind of like make the crease of how much product I'm gonna get on the lid, if that makes sense. You guys can see now that I just basically packed in that color. Now I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is an unknown brush. I'm sorry that I have unknown brushes here. But this is just kind of like a crease brush. This is a crease brush. So we're just going to pack in that black as well. Take any excess. And I'm just going to now build in that black onto my crease. So I'm just taking the color basically and just packing it on once again. Really intensifying that color and making sure we get every area. Ta-da! I look like I got punched in the face, but that means that we're doing it right. I'm gonna take this BH Cosmetics. This is an unknown brush as well. I think this is like a blender brush. I'm not sure. I'm sorry. But I'm just taking this color. Taking this brush. I'm taking this brush and I'm just gonna take this color right here. I'm sorry that this doesn't have the names. I lost the paper for it. I'm just gonna pack that on top of the black that I just packed on my lid. And just basically what I'm doing is just kind of starting to put the neutral color on my lid, but also blending out the black that I just placed on there. So kind of just putting that transition color, but also making sure that whole color on my lid is blended out. Now I'm going to take the Morphe M321 and I'm basically just going to get more of a chocolate tone. You can take any kind of chocolate brownish color you prefer. I'm just going to go in with this brown right here and kind of mix these two together. Now I'm going to put that as my transition color. Alright, now I'm going to go back into that first brush I used, which was the M433. Yeah, the M433. I'm going to grab that black again. And now I'm just going to make sure that color is packed on. If I took any of that color out from the transition color I used, that's basically what I'm doing. Just packing in more black so it looks more intense.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Buenas. Este es su amigo y hermano José Reyes. En estos momentos estoy aquí junto con mi hija Diarylim Reyes haciendo un videíto para ustedes. No le hagan caso porque ella está tostada. Vamos a ver cómo salió eso.
Alright, so this is basically it, guys. I'm not kidding. I basically just packed on that black, used that transition color and those neutrals just to make sure everything got blended out, and we have a Smokey. It's in the process. We're almost done, but this is basically it. Like, this is the hardest part, basically. We're gonna now use the Maybelline Color Tattoo Eye Chrome in the shade Gunmetal. So what I like to do is basically take that color. It sometimes comes out a little bit chunky, but it's workable. I like to just take it and pack that on to my lid. So I like to use it from the inner corner kind of into the middle. I don't like to put it on my whole eyelid. I like to just kind of have like a little bit of, shimmer, as like, when I'm moving side to side, you can see the shimmer, but then you see still like the smoky eye look, which is the most, like, the main focus. So I'm just gonna pack that on like so. So basically you're gonna pack this on kind of like when you're cutting your crease, because you want this to be from the inner corner of your eye and build up towards not your whole lid, but kind of like the crease, you know what I mean? Alright, so I like to keep my eyes closed and just make sure it is dried out because it's a little wet. So you are packing a glitter, so you know most glitters when you pack them on, they're kind of wet. Yeah. So I like to just close my eyes and make sure that it's, because if not, then when you open your eyes, you know what's gonna be there? A crease, and we don't want that. Now that our lid is dried out, so I'm going to go back into the Unknown brush. It's basically a crease brush. I'm going to go back into that black, and I'm just going to now pack in that color towards the end, the outer corner of my eye where I ended my glitter, where I stopped packing my glitter, just so it blends out seamlessly on my lid. So just basically packing that color again, making sure it is blended. Perfect. Alright, so now that this eye is finished, I'm going to go ahead and finish the other eye and we'll be right back. So both eyes are done. Now we're just going to put some eyeliner and put a little bit of black and the neutrals under our eyes, and then we're going to pop some lashes, put an inner corner shimmer, and we are done with this look. So I'm going to go in with the Tarte Sex Kitten. This is just a black eyeliner. You can use any black eyeliner that you prefer. I'm just going to use this one, put it under my eyes. Black liner is on. I'm going to take a very small brush. This is the E36 from Morphe. And I'm basically just going to take, I'm going to start with the brown. So I'm just going to take this chocolate looking color. You can use any brown that you like. And I'm going to start with that color under my eyes. Just gonna go from the outer corner where I packed in that black shade, and from there I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna go in with the other eye. I'm not going too harsh on that color under my eye. This is a smoky eye look, so I'm focusing on the black shade mostly because that's what we're working on. Okay. So now I'm going to go with the same brush and take that black, and now I'm going to build that under my eye. Alright, now that I packed that black under my lid, I'm just going to take a clean brush. You can use any small clean brush that you like. I'm going to just take this one. I think this is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. And I'm just going to use that brush, and I'm just going to make sure that that underline shadow that I packed on is just all blended out. Alright, now that we have our under eyes done, and the whole eye color is done, I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on off camera and my lashes, and I'll be back. I'm going to be using the Kiss Look So Natural Effect in the shade Flirty. So just like a 2-pack. Again, you can use any kind of lashes you like. I'm going to use these. So I'm going to put these on really quick off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I went ahead and put on the lashes, and then I went ahead and also did the rest of my makeup. So I put the inner corner of my eye color, then I did the highlight, I did the lips. So I'm just going to let you guys know what products I used, and then also everything else I didn't mention will be on the descriptions. It'll be in the descriptions below. So for the inner corner of my eye, I promise I will only use 3 shades on one palette, but I went ahead and did an inner corner eye color with the Dream Street Kathleen Lights from the ColourPop collection and the shade Mermaid Boy. So it was this shade right here. It's a beautiful, like, crystally silver, kind of like pinkish tone also vibes. So I just put that on the inner corner of my eyes, as you can see. And then for the lips today, I just wanted to keep it very simple, not too crazy, because, you know, the eye look is basically the look that's really popping everything out. So I went ahead and I used the Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Virgin. This is a beautiful nude color. And then I went ahead and topped that off with a lipstick. Just kidding, not a lipstick, a lip gloss. I went ahead and popped that up with the lip gloss. The Dose of Colors in the shade Can You Not? Can You Not? This is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For those of you that were waiting for this look, specifically the smoky eye look, promise you guys this is the simplest, easiest way to do your smoky eye, and it's very fun to do as well. So I hope you guys learned some tips and tricks with me, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.